Today I'm going to show you a very cool automation that I've built connecting Zillow, database, Make.com, and Printify to automatically send new gifts to recently sold homes for lead generation for a home services company. Let's get started. So basically this automation that we've built for one of our home services client, what we are doing is we are scraping sold homes on Zillow, recently sold homes on Zillow from a particular region. So for example, in this case was two specific counties that we are scraping from, and then we are adding those homes into a database. Okay, of course, like the sold homes data is a public available information that you can check here. So for example, this one sold actually today, and then you can get the address, right? And the purpose of this automation for this client is to send a gift to that new home to kind of welcome them to the new neighborhood. And then of course, in that gift, you're gonna have the contact information for that home services company, right? So this is like a lead generation effort, lead generation initiative that a company is doing, of course, to generate more leads. Okay, so basically the step one of this process is to scrape these homes here for, as I mentioned, for two particular counties. Okay, and of course you created a script that's logging in every day to Zillow. The script is scraping that information, so the list of homes, and not only that, the details of homes, because for this client, they just want to work with homes built in a specific year range. Okay, so for example here, the year built is 2023, so I can also scrape this information here to add to the database, and then later on I can filter only by the homes, the year that I want for this automation. Okay, so step one is to scrape that data. Okay, the step two happens in Make.com. So after the script run, I have a webhook here, and then I am searching for rows here. So basically, I don't want duplicates, right? I just want new homes to be added to the database. And then I'm gonna search for the address to make sure that it's not an existing homes in my database. And then if it's a new home, then I'm adding that new home to the database. And as I mentioned, I'm filtering for the particular year range of the home build that I want for this database. And then of course I have here the database, which is a very basic database here on Google Sheets, and I have the address, I have the Zillow link, the year built, the type, the address 1, the address 2, city, zip code. Yeah, that's all the information that I need for this phase of the automation. Okay, so step one is scrape the data from Zillow. Step two, filter to only add new homes and to only add homes within the year range that I need here. Okay, now I have this nice database here. And of course, as I mentioned, this automation is running every single day. So every single day, I'm adding more homes to this database, right? And the third part of this process is to effectively submit an order to ship my gift to that home, okay? And for that, I'm using Printify. Printify is a very nice platform that you can connect to that's gonna not only send the item to your lead, but also it's going to create the item, so you don't have to worry about anything, right? So my client created the product, created the design of the item here on Printify, and now and that's about it, right? So every new home that's being sold in that particular region, in that year range, is going to get the gift from my client without him having to do anything, right? Because it's going to be an automated process. And so the final step here of my automation is every time I get a new role here on Google Sheets, on this Google Sheets database, I'm submitting an order here on the API. Okay, so you can see that I'm submitting this order here to make sure that that has all the information that I need to send to Printify to make the order and to ship that item to the new leads, to the new recent homes, and of course with a nice message saying, welcome to the neighborhood. If you need any help with A, B, and C services, this is my contact information. Okay, very easy, very simple way of generating more leads to your home services company. Okay, and again, as I mentioned, this process is running automatically, and the client doesn't even need to care about what's happening there because this is running and it's now generating more leads for that company automatically. Hope you like this video, hope you like this automation, and as always, if you need help to build this type of automation for your company, just click on the link down below so we can get on a call and I can show you more examples of automations that we have built for other clients as well. See you on the other side. Thank you.